If it's not installed, you can install it using the following commands based on your distribution. To share the output of any terminal command, you simply use the following format. For example, to share the output of the dmesc command, you would run this command. This will upload the output of dmesc to termbin.com and return a URL, something like this. You can now share this URL with others, and they will be able to view the command output directly without needing to copy-paste it. If you need to share an error log, you can use the same command format. This will upload the output of the systemctl command to termbin.com and provide you with a URL for easy sharing.